a few weeks ago we did a video of the old new C5 system installation, and I say old new because it was installed over a year ago, but they weren't able to get their power updated at that location. They had to go through a lot of red tape. So we just a few weeks ago got that machine online, and we were there for a first day of testing. And so now I have some footage that I got from a few days ago. We were there of us actually running some material through it. So anyways, take a look at it. Let me know what you guys think, and we can go from there. There's a lot of copper coming off this table. It's a very fast system. As I mentioned in the last video, and I'll put a link in the description below. It's a 150 horsepower single shaft shredder, high torque, slow speed, and then from there onto the conveyor into a 200 horsepower granulator. From there, the zigzag dosing hopper, and from the dosing hopper into a 200 horsepower turbo mill, and from there onto the C5 Airtable. So pretty simple setup, and nothing too crazy with screeners. They wanted to add that stuff a little later, but anyways, we have that going. So take a look, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you like. Catch you on the next one. Happy Friday.